Have you ever found yourself staring at your Chime balance, wishing you could easily transfer that cash to your main bank account? Maybe you need to pay a bill, cover a sudden expense, or simply prefer to keep your savings elsewhere. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime and external bank transfers. Let's figure out if it's possible and how to make it happen. Chime has taken the banking world by storm with its fee-free approach and user-friendly app. But, like any other financial tool, it has its limitations. One question that pops up frequently is, can I transfer money from my Chime account to another bank? It's a valid question, and we're here to give you a straight answer. The short answer. The good news is, yes, you can transfer money from your Chime account to another bank. The bad news? It's not always as straightforward as you might hope. Chime has its own system in place for these transfers, and it involves a few steps. How to transfer money from Chime to another bank. To transfer money from Chime to another bank, you will typically need to follow these steps. Link your external account. The first thing you'll need to do is link your external bank account to your Chime account. This process is usually pretty straightforward and can be done through the Chime app. Initiate the transfer. Once your external account is linked, you can initiate a transfer from your Chime balance to your linked account. The Chime app will guide you through this process. Transfer times. Keep in mind that transfers can take a few business days to complete. This is standard for most bank transfers. Important considerations. While the process seems simple enough, there are a few things to keep in mind. Transfer limits. Chime might have limits on how much you can transfer at once or within a specific time frame. It's essential to check these limits before initiating a large transfer. Fees. While Chime doesn't charge fees for transfers, your external bank might. Be aware of any potential fees that could eat into your transfer amount. Security. Always ensure that you're transferring money to the correct account. Double-check the account information before confirming the transfer. Alternative methods. If you need to transfer money quickly or avoid potential fees, consider these alternatives. Chime Pay Anyone. This feature allows you to send money to friends and family instantly, even if they don't have a Chime account. Cash out at ATMs. You can withdraw cash from your Chime account at ATMs and then deposit it into your external bank account. Write a check. While it might seem old school, writing a check to yourself and depositing it into your other bank account is still a viable option. Transferring money from your Chime account to another bank is generally possible but might involve a few extra steps. Understanding the process, potential limitations, and available alternatives will help you make informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.